Here's a potential signal for what may be next for U.S. stocks. I'm Bob Stokes with Elliott Wave International. Frost & Prechter's Wall Street classic book, Elliott Wave Principle, Key to Market Behavior, first published nearly 45 years ago and said, 8 years of a raging bear market have taught today's investor to be cautious, conservative, and cynical. Defensiveness is not in evidence at tops. Considering this description of investors' mindset in the late 70s and early 80s, many market observers were not contemplating the start of a big bull market. Yet Elliott Wave Principle did forecast a major uptrend, and that's what happened. Bull markets are generally born after investor sentiment has reached a negative extreme. Here in the late summer of 2022, there's the opposite mindset. Instead of playing defense, investors are aggressively on the offense, and in at least one sector, by a record degree. Consider this chart and commentary from our August Elliott Wave financial forecast. The depth of the dip buying zeal is evident by a late July retail surge into technology stocks. Investors pushed about $580 million into a basket of tech stocks, the highest total since at least 2014 and probably ever. The FANG stocks and various ancillary issues are once again the big favorites. Some professional investors are also gung-ho on tech stocks. Famous market pundit, "I will not abandon tech stocks because the end of their downturn is near." This well-known stock picker might be right. Yet keep in mind that stocks which lead on the way up tend to lead on the way down. Also keep in mind that stocks in the technology sector are not the only focus of investors. According to a poll by DeVere Group, a Zurich-based asset management firm, 56% of investors plan to buy more stock before 2022 ends. And here's another CNBC headline. S&P will be at 4,400 by year end, says chief equity strategist. In other words, the complete lack of defensiveness is likely a signal that stocks are not set to kick off another major uptrend. The stock market's Elliott Wave pattern can help you gain more insight into what to expect next for the main indexes. See what our analysts see by following the link below this video.